Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company's F for your really nice, clean, original Bobcat 643 skid steer loader. Machine has 1,976 original hours on it. We bought it from the original owner. Machine is all original white paint. The cab is all original. We've done a bunch of service work to this thing and went through it. It's an older machine. I think it's a 1986 or 7. I think it's an 86. But it is an older skid loader. 643, 743s were an indestructible little machine. There's still guys out there running them every day. But this is a nice, straight, original machine. We're going to start you back here at the engine compartment. We're going to take you completely around this machine. So, back door. Usually these back doors do not open. That one there opens just as nice as can be. The hinges here are nice. You can see that he had road service stuff in here. Kubota V1402 or engine in it, or D1402 I should say, is in dog. We've just done a full service. Air filter, fuel filter, or I'm sorry, air filter, oil filter, hydraulic filter. I went right to Bobcat. They had the old style glass fuel filter housings on them, and I hate them things. So we went to a brand new style Bobcat update kit. They're like 68 bucks. We went ahead and done that. It's done, it's over with. You don't have to worry about it again. You have a spin-on filter now. Engine starts excellent, no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything like that whatsoever. The only thing we have ordered and have not replaced yet is the shutoff cable broke up in the dash there. We're going to fix that yet, but we can go ahead and do the video for all intents and purposes. And we have put a brand new Napa commercial battery in it, okay? So, machine-wise there, excellent. Again, engine is 110%. Coming around this side, your hydraulic tank, things are going to be on this side. Hydraulic oil here will show you. Clean, since we've had it running it down. We have put all 3 seal kits in all 3 cylinders. It wasn't like they were leaking, but they were damp, and I didn't want anybody to have a problem. So we went ahead and we've resealed all 3 cylinders, Bobcat factory seal kits. This machine even has a set of Titan HD 2000 tires on it. Tires are going to be 50% all the way around. One tire over here actually shows probably 75%, but all 4 tread patterns do match, okay? And again, no welds, repairs, busts, brakes. The quick attach itself is extremely, extremely tight, and everything works. Both handles, now I have pressure on that one, but that does guarantee latch and unlatch. Pins and bushings in here are freaking excellent. It does have the auxiliary hydraulics. Up here, it's not welded, busted, cracked, fish plated, anything like that like you would see, okay? This is still the original skid tape, getting in and out of the machine, and take a look at how nice and square the cab is and straight it is. It does come with a good Bobcat 60-inch bucket, smooth edge. And I'm going to hop you up inside the cab here and just take you a quick look. So, standard controls machine, parking brake even works, which is hard to believe. Gauges all work. Temperature and fuel, headlights, rear lights, voltmeter, hour meter, 1976. Really a nice, straight, clean find here. You don't see old machines like this anymore in this kind of condition. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera back over. We're going to fire it up, and we'll turn it around here and show you it does everything it's supposed to do. see, I forgot to do. You can see here, headlights both work, and tail light. Again, we are going to fix the fuel shutoff cable. I have a new one ordered from Bobcat that will be installed. They're about 80 bucks, and it'll be right. So if you're looking for a nice size machine around the farm around the house, plowing snow, working in the stall, whatever, this is a nice basic size skid loader that does not have any electronic garbage on it. It's all manual. It's all, if it doesn't start, you have a dead battery or a bad starter. You're out of fuel. These were a tough, indestructible little machine, unlike a lot of the stuff out in the market today with electronic garbage. Yes, I'm asking a good bit of money. It's a nice machine. It's hard to find. I had a hard time coming up with it, and I had to give good money for it, but you will not be dissatisfied with this little machine. You want to come by and see it yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so, and I guarantee it to be 110%. 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. Again, thank you for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a good day.